Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the Omnikey 5427CK USB reader to read data from DesFire cards in keyboard wedge mode. And before this, let's get back to our yesterday's tutorial. So yesterday we created an application number 1 on our DesFire card with 2 keys, and the key number 2 has this tooth value and it's read-only. So let's see what we have on our card at the moment. Detect card, select application, authenticate, read, and here we see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 data. And now I have connected the Omnikey reader instead. So to access to the Omnikey reader settings, it's configurable via web browser. It's the default IP address. I've pre-configured it already. Keyboard wedge mode is enabled. In our case, cut data selection. In our case, we have DesFire EV2 card, and here we see the application number in decimal format, and in this application it's in hexadecimal format, and moreover in this application it's LSB and here it's MSB. So if we need here it to be the application number 1, we need to create it here this way instead. So it's reversed. But in our case, since we created it this way, it matches to this decimal number. Then our file number is number 0. It's the same here. The key number 2, the same as here. We created it read-only. We have the same standard data. This encrypt matches to encrypted mode here, and also it was the same as fully enciphered communication when we created this application. It was named in the parameters this way, and the same AES encryption of this key as it is here. This is the internal reader key number, and I've uploaded it via another Omnikey application, but since it's proprietary, I will not show it in this tutorial. So it is so that I've uploaded this value, this tooth, by this application to the internal reader key slot with this number, because this Omnikey readers has internal cryptographic key storage. So let's see what we get if we present our card to the Omnikey reader. It reads the same data automatically, so the Omnikey reader provides this automatic authentication to the application number 1 and reads the data from our file number 0, so it automatically do this authentication with AES code, encrypted communication, and etc. So it works in automatic mode. Just there is one more trick here. Here I use this reversing because it's the same situation as with the application number. So this is MSB, this is LSB. because if I uncheck this or if I set none here, we will get these bytes reversed. And to make it match to the reader we encoded our code with, we need to reverse these bytes. And in this case, we get it's in the same direction as we see it in this application, and also in output data manipulation 2, I set this enter post stroke, so it automatically moves to the next string after reading the number. So I think that everything should be pretty simple and clear. Therefore, bye bye.